We process thousands of tons of material every day right here. This facility is the future of sustainable manufacturing, and we're proud to lead the way. It starts with this notebook, made entirely from recycled materials, right here in our facility. We're showing the world how modern recycling works.
Waste gains new purpose. Waste gains new purpose.
Not all books can be reused.
Unused books are gathered for recycling. Worn-out books eventually leave circulation.
Raw book waste contains paper, glue, plastic, and metal.
Collected books are transported to recycling plants.
Another product is packaging boxes. Paper is strengthened into board. Printed ink must be removed. Fresh paper sheets begin to form.
Shredded paper is gathered.
Pulping starts with hydration. Remaining contaminants are removed. Fiber quality is enhanced.
Ink is separated from fibers. Paper fibers are fully broken down. Pressure strengthens the paper.
The material is ready for remanufacturing.
Binding adhesives are isolated. New paper rolls are complete. Notebook production begins. Heat removes remaining moisture.
Pages are assembled.
become useful packaging.
Pure paper material is collected.
Fresh notebooks are complete.
Assembly begins.
Plastic contamination is removed. Products are prepared for shipment.
Boxes are stored.
Boxes are finalized.
Distribution logistics begin.
Watch out for the forklift! Bring that pallet over here.
A sustainable paper product.
Old books return as school supplies.
From discarded books to practical products. Packaging products are complete.
Packaging from discarded knowledge. Subscribe for more hidden recycling factories and industrial transformations.